Hi, welcome to Alpha Tech Tips. My name is Fred, Applications Engineer here at Alpha Technologies. Today we'll show you how to install Alpha's LPS36 up converter shelf onto a rack. Now when you receive a box, the package will include a manual, CAN communication cables, the shelf, a CAN terminator, and in this version, terminal blocks. Now we're ready to install the Alpha LPS36 up converter shelf onto the rack using self-tapping screws and the washers. Now that we've installed the LPS36 on the rack, we need to tighten up the screws. Here's a tip. If you have more than one LPS36 shelf, you need to set the shelf ID, which is found here. The LPS36 is now installed on the rack. For more Alpha Tech Tip videos, visit our website at www.alpha.ca/tech tips.